I received my Voiply today. Let's get it plugged in.
First thing I did was plug the adapter into power. I added the gray cable that connects to the phone system and the blue cable which connects to my Wi-Fi. It takes about 5 or 6 minutes for it to fully be connected and everything to be up and running. Once all 3 lights are on the adapter, it's ready to go. Hi, Robin.
Hey, Mom, how's the phone working? Oh, awesome. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.
I have to say, I'm not really a technical person, but plugging my Voiply was really easy. It was seamless and smooth, and it worked within 5 minutes. It was quite amazing to me. I did make one mistake. I plugged it into my TV router first, so make sure you plug it into your internet, but that was my own fault. The system itself worked beautifully.